These are the different formats that you can upload. You can upload Google Docs, PDFs, web URLs, YouTube URLs, and any kind of copied text. And what it does is it's only going to pull its information from the sources that you give it, which is something that's really cool because if you're using ChatGPT or some of these other chatbots, it's pulling information from the web, right? And it can be like garbage in, garbage out if you're using AI. But here, you're only giving it access to the information that you want it to consider or that you have to learn. So I think that that's a major difference with this. And you'll see that there are 3 panels of information. And I'm going to go to this live again. Actually, I'm going to just go to it live. So this is what you see when you go to NotebookLM.Google. And if you scroll down, you just click on Try Notebook LM. So if I click on that, and you have to be signed into your Google account. So you do have to have a Google account for this to work. And I've just been playing around with this a little bit. And what I did is I created a notebook. So you can create different notebooks. I created a notebook called Tech Life Inner Circle. But to create a new notebook, you just click on Create New. And you'll see there are 3 different panels. And you add sources. So you click on Upload a Source. And then you just choose a file. You can, here again, you can choose a PDF, an MP3 for audio. You just upload different resources. So to save time, what I did is I created one already. I'm going to go back to my notebooks. And I'll show you the Tech Life Inner Circle notebook. So what I did is I took all of the different handouts that I've provided on these little tech talks. I thought that would be interesting to see how that went. So I uploaded a bunch of those. I have 12 sources here of handouts that I've done. And then what it does is it processes that information and it presents it in different ways. And so I can decide, I can ask it a question and it will give me the answer based on the information I gave it. So I could say something like, how can I have text read aloud? I can just ask it any question. It'll pull the answer from my materials and it will cite the references. So then I can go back and click on it. It will open up the reference and it will highlight where it got the answer from. So here, so I just think that's really great. So that's like chatting with it. That's like using ChatGPT or something like that. But